Yo, what I don't know, Shadanigo, Shizimi, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is where you get some of the artist video them with their road. You understand? Because I'm well talented at drum. You understand? No, I don't make my tell the truth. But anyway, you don't know today. Today you can sip on the table right now. I have the famous Excelsior Jamaica crackers right here, sir. You see me? I'm gonna now wonder why I have this right here, sir. This is because I'm going to try and eat every last cracker in this bag right here, sir. You see me? Yes. So, I don't know. I got about 15 there right now with no water at that. You understand? I'm going to try eat the pack of Excelsior water crackers here. No water. You understand? And if anybody want to challenge me, challenge me. You understand? Tuff Crackers Challenge. That's it name. Tuff Crackers Challenge. Ooh. Smell dry. Should I get a bigger pan? Oh no, them can't hold. Bumbo, yo, I don't think I can eat after all of them, yeah? Yeah, this is impossible. I lose already. But you don't know my thing, you know. I do the pepper challenge, and now I do the Tuff Crackers challenge. And one thing in me, once I start something, I have to finish it. I do some mistake, I have to finish it. So, I'm cleaning up my workstation a little bit because the whole heap of crackers crumbs there. Oh, I might not have no water. I might not have no water, but I have my lip balm. You understand? Because I would never dip on camera with a dry mouth. You mad? Or if I have something right in the corner of my mouth, no. Probably have to delete all the whole video. Nothing in the mouth corner. I have to delete the whole video. But yeah. Damn. Go get to work. So, the goal is eat off all of the crackers, no water. You understand? I would have count how much I eat and we're going to see what I go on. You understand? Yeah. I got time on my hands. Oh, hold on. I have some people who love talk about anything for views. No, not anything for views because I'm batting over on a counter. You hear that? Just understand that. Content creation is a beautiful thing. So just hush up your mouth and watch me go to work. Right now, Tuff Crackers. A bag of Tuff Crackers, no water. My name is Nigo Simara. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Mmm. 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 Mr. This I'm not gonna make it. This is a very bad idea. Better than pepper though. Better than the pepper. Mmm. So I make it. This done for. One cracker that's already more dry. Bomba claro. Blood clear. Tuff Crackers challenge. Who's got the most Tuff Crackers? No water. No. Yan, tingnan. Magda overtime. Correct now, overtime. Wow. So, yeah, for 5 minutes in the video. I'm about 3 already. About 50 crackers. It's a very bad idea. My jaw can't kill me. No water. Hey, more time, I sit down to myself, you see me? Especially like I'm not about one split. I'm not sure. What is the stupidest thing we can do tomorrow? Tough crackers challenge. I don't know. I give up. I eat about 10 more. I try to set a world record. I try to get a world record. And I don't want no Jamaican. So come try and show to them and eat crackers. You get crackers of it in front of the camera. No movement. We want a crackers that take from crackers, everybody have to see the crackers. Oh. Cause you some on teeth. You know when your mouth get dry and tired? When your mouth dry, at them time you get tired, you jack and take your mouth tired. Rough man. But take God, if nothing in my mouth can, I'm gonna delete the whole video, God. If nothing in my mouth can, I'm gonna delete the video. I can't have nothing in my mouth can. What's my name? Dry crackers, the master, I'm hungry. The America starve. When time my content, I try to create. I do them. What's that? No. I put them in a pile. I think I feel better if I see them organized. Because we look jumble now, but I feel like a 5 million. That's not tell me. I mean, I like the number that seem too high. What am I trying to do? Am I trying to eat crackers with no water? It is stupid. Wow. Mom was dead right now. Dry crackers. Yes, and he goes to Mara dead. What kill him? Dry crackers. What dry crackers kill him? He might make video for YouTube. I just tears around on me. I choked my choke. Dead me, I almost dead right now. Woo! You feel that it look better when everything is organized. You do it. You know what I'm doing? A waste of time. I'm going to do something more exciting in my life. Be that laptop. Yeah. You may fear something more corner. I don't want nothing more corner. If nothing more corner, just cut the beer. I'm going to eat all them crackers if nothing more corner. Right now, two of my jaw corner them hurt me. I forget my front teeth them involved. So I push the food in the front of my mouth. Darling, I kill me, man. I fuck me. No, I'm not cuss nobody. This is foolishness that I'm doing. Rubbish. But a big man, it look doable, you know. It look doable. Never start name them by the twos. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. God damn, man. Whoa. I can't believe it. You know, so one day when you're hungry, you eat all the crackers with some cheese. You see me? Crackers and cheese. One thing extra crackers and cheese, I bet I'll make it something. You see me? I don't know any cheese, look at butter. Alright. Do what I want. Alright. See ya? What a big that computer here. Be a nice to make. Okay. I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 16 crackers to mash up. So you know what I'm gonna do now? That means I have 16 eat left. I can just hear that already. I can just hear that why there. Far across somewhere in Jamaica. Why, youth? Why? When we mean you have 16 eat. I try to eat them by the twos. It have my mouth even more dry, but I try to eat it by the twos. If that one didn't work, what then? My laptop battery is dead. Hold on, I'm plug it in. Plug in my laptop battery. And I want to say, hold on, little intermission. Small little intermission, real quick. Plug in. See that? Man, I'm gonna go around thing. Plug in my laptop, isn't it? Can't afford for this. Dead out for me. I get a better setup, because I be a little noise and them something I hear when I move on them something. I like that. I get a better setup still, but yeah, as I say, I try to mash them up by the twos, you know, you see me? Here's a 2 one time. Bag or girl, bag or girl, bag or girl. Go. Go. Don't you ever go. It's a magnet. No. You know what? This is a very bad idea. I give up. Whoever, you know what I mean? Or that. Whoever, this nigga, you can't eat the water with no water. Maybe if we have some water, we can have some. No! If there wasn't coming to water now. Nothing on my mouth now. But yeah, as I said, P11. Yeah. P11. I'm not gonna pick up, don't pick up everything, you know. But anyway, I want that. Like I watch the video and count how much crackers I am. I count how much crackers I am. You see me? Cause we even feel like I'm past that telling crackers. I don't even know how much crackers I am. But listen, this is a very stupid idea. My name is Nigo Simara, and none of them don't do it. It's a foolishness, this shit. Some cheese or local butter. You're not telling some porridge. Yeah, some porridge with a, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, some bowl of porridge, crushed up neat, drop like, some caramel, I don't know the things that on the king set. My name is Niggas Mar. I bet up on myself. I'm gone. I play in a video and see how much crackers we can yam and somebody challenge me. I'm going to put how much crackers we yam and we see who can yam more crackers than me. My name is Niggas Mar and this is the Excelsior Water Crackers Challenge. Up. You know how I'm doing this? I don't know how it is. Jack and big so.